China dominates the battery market. From lithium to cobalt, from electric vehicles to smartphones, it's almost impossible to find a battery that doesn't rely on Chinese supply chains. But how did they take control of such a crucial industry? Today, we break it down. Let's be clear, this isn't an accident. China made a strategic decision more than a decade ago to win the race for clean energy, electric vehicles, and advanced manufacturing. And they started by controlling the battery. To dominate batteries, you need four things: lithium, cobalt, nickel, and graphite. And China made sure it had access to all of them by going straight to the source. Cobalt keeps batteries stable. Over 60% of it comes from the Congo. Starting in the late 2000s, Chinese companies like China Molybdenum and Huayu Cobalt bought stakes in the world's largest mines. In 2016, China Moly bought the massive Tenke Fungurume mine for $2.65 billion. China secured lithium from South America starting around 2016. Tianqi Lithium bought nearly 24% of Chilean giant SQM. In Argentina, companies like CATL and Ganfeng funded new mining projects. Even Bolivia, long reluctant, signed a $1 billion deal with CATL in 2023. Nickel gives batteries more energy. After Indonesia banned raw nickel exports in 2014, Chinese firms like Tsingshan built huge smelters. Today, Indonesia is a key supplier to China's EV industry. China doesn't just focus on poor countries. It also went big in Australia, the world's top lithium producer. Tianqi and Ganfeng took stakes in massive mines like Greenbushes and Mount Marion. Even graphite isn't safe from Chinese control. From 2017 onward, China invested in African graphite mines, securing another key battery ingredient. But China didn't just stop at mining, they built the factories to process it all. Today, China refines 70% of the world's lithium, 75% of cobalt, and more than 80% of graphite. Even if raw materials are mined elsewhere, they often still go to China for processing. Meanwhile, the Chinese government backed local battery giants like CATL and BYD. They received massive subsidies, cheap loans, and guaranteed electric vehicle demand. Today, CATL is the world's biggest battery maker, supplying Tesla, Ford, and BMW. By controlling the full supply chain, from mine to factory to vehicle, China has built a battery empire. This gives them pricing power, political leverage, and economic strength in the age of electrification. 2007 to 2010, moves into Congo cobalt. 2014 to 2016, investments in Chile, Australia, and Indonesia. 2016 to 2018, CATL rises, Tianqi buys SQM stake. 2018 to 2020, graphite and Argentina lithium investments. 2023, Bolivia signs deal with CATL. While the West debated climate policy, China was busy building the battery world we now depend on. The question is, can anyone catch up? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more world analysis, and let us know. Can the US or Europe break China's battery dominance?